Y'all, this coronavirus got everybody shook it, okay?
Coronavirus! Coronavirus! I'm telling you, it's real! It's getting real! Woo!
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. So y'all, this coronavirus got everybody shook it, okay? In this time that this virus is spreading around, it's very essential that we try to take care of our immune systems and we try to consume foods that are not only anti-inflammatory to the immune system, but also foods that will boost the immune system so that we are not prone to getting this virus. If you don't know already, I do have a history of Crohn's disease. I know there are people out there that have an autoimmune disease that are taking medication like Humira to suppress their immune system, which is going to make them possibly getting sick, if not from this virus, then just the flu. Or no way am I a healthcare professional. This is just from trial and error and things that I do to prevent myself from getting a cold, and I'm just sharing it with you guys in hopes that it will help you boost your immune system and reduce inflammation. So I went to the store and I noticed that everyone bought up all the chips, all the candy, all the processed foods, all the TV dinners, all those things that will up the inflammation in your body and actually suppress your immune system to make you not able to fight off this virus. And the fruit, veggie section, the refrigerated fruit and veggie section was full of vegetables, plants, fruits, and things that would actually boost your immune system and lower inflammation in your body. So it gave me the idea to create this video and show you guys some immune boosting smoothies slash juices. I'm going to juice them. You can make them as a smoothie if you like, if you don't have a juicer, or if you don't have a juicer and you have a blender or a NutriBullet, you are able to create these drinks as a juice as well if you have muslin or some type of cloth or strainer to strain these out in. So if you're interested, keep watching. The first drink, I'm gonna call this one Sunshine. So this drink is carrots, mango, orange, and a little bit of coconut water. So this drink is packed with vitamin C, which is one of the biggest immune system boosters. In fact, a lack of vitamin C makes you way more prone to sickness than anything else. You have those things like Emergan-C is a high dosage of vitamin C, but it is artificial. It gets the job done, but I don't think there's anything better than getting your daily dosage of vitamin C's from the fruits and vegetables that you eat on a daily basis. Drinking this drink every day will give you your daily dose of vitamin C that you need. The next drink is called Green Goodness. And this one has kale, mango, pineapple, ginger, lemon, kiwi. And if I'm making this in smoothie form, I would add spirulina, which is an algae from the sea, which is powerful and packed with all the daily vitamins that you need. I wouldn't add it to a juice only because it'll give the juice a weird texture that you just don't want to have when you're drinking a juice. Excuse the motorcycle that just drove by, I'm in my kitchen. But I would add this to a smoothie because I don't mind the texture of it in a smoothie. This green drink is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. The kale gives you a bunch of different vitamins. It gives you vitamin A, C, K, and vitamin B6. So vitamin B6 is very vital in this drink because vitamin B6 gives us the vital supporting biochemical reactions that we need for our immune system. So this is going to help you fight against inflammation. This is going to help you fight against viruses. This drink is also packed with antioxidants from the kale, mango, pineapple, and lemon. And it's going to help your body fight against those free radicals that cause cancer and cause infections in the body. This one I'm gonna call the kicker. So this one is just super high in vitamin C, minerals, super high in vitamins, super high in everything you need to give your body that daily kick to literally fight against anything. So this one has carrot, apples, cucumber, lemon, celery, ginger. This drink is packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants. The carrot and the lemon help to fight against any viruses because it boosts your immune system and helps you fight against any infections and things like that that might come to your body. The cucumber adds a bit of hydration. We all need to stay very, very hydrated in this time. Keep your body hydrated. Being dehydrated is just going to make your body weak, and it's going to make your body not want to fight off anything that may come your way. I'm not speaking only on the coronavirus, but I'm speaking in regards to any flu, cold, literally anything. Like, you need to stay hydrated. But that's another point. To keep going, the celery is just filled with so many minerals and so many vitamins. I actually drink celery juice every other day. I don't do it every day like I used to. I'll link a video up above on my trial period and me drinking celery juice and what it did to me. It's very interesting. It literally changes the whole map and layout of how your body functions. It's really good. At least I think this one is my favorite. This one is called Pink Goodness. This one has grapefruit, mango, ginger, carrots, turmeric, and cayenne. So the cayenne is totally irrelevant to this video because I do drink this after I come back from the gym. I am on this whole weight loss journey here. I gained too much weight, but anyway, besides the point. The cayenne helps boost your metabolism, but you do not have to add cayenne to this. Grapefruit, mango, and carrots are going to boost your immune system. I've been speaking about your immune system and why these different things boost your immune system because of vitamin C, so I'm not going to reiterate that. Add the ginger and the turmeric for my digestive system and my gut because it helps reduce inflammation, and you want to be able to reduce inflammation. You don't want your body to be overworking and overcompensating to fight off different things by eating, you know, processed foods, by eating candy and sweets and things like that. So you want to consume daily things that are going to boost your immune system, reduce the inflammation in your body. I think this drink is great to have on a daily basis. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? You guys be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching.